Right, Dreddy says, and we've got some goodies. This is what we like. Some stuff from, don't know why I had to look, it's Ecobay. Some more stuff from Ecobay. And a mystery bag. Quick dry towel. I do love a good quick dry towel. There's my other one up there, but this one is special. We're going to get to that. I'm going to start off with these bamboo sunglasses. Right, 3 things to look at. Let's get into it. First up, nice bamboo case. Let's have a shifty. Nice cleaning case as well with it. They are nice. Check them out. Okay. So, yeah, polarized, of course. Let's take the sticker off without getting lots of fingerprints all over it. Now, these are made of bamboo. UV40. Get that off there very carefully. Pop that there to put in the bin later. Bamboo. So light. Okay, there we go. Shadow in the way. Can you look at the sun? You can look at the sun. Nice. Don't recommend it. Don't do it. Bad. So, that's number 1. What have we got here? Ooh, nice little pair. This frame is made from recycled plastic. Nice. Hence the eco. So I'm going to check, because with these being wood, for all intents and purposes, they're not going to be SUP friendly. Unless you don't fall in. So they're going to be the Ecobay Sunnies. Never use the word Ecobay. I'll never use it again. That's a promise. Right. Let's try these. Ooh. Yeah, I still glance at the sun. Here they are. Let me come over here. So I'm in the actual sun, not in the shade. Nice. I've sat in a really bad place, haven't I, really? 1 second. That's better. Right. This is these. And this is them. Nice. So, I'm going to have a look on the website, maybe drop them a line, get in touch with them, and see if these are SUP sensible. We will post a little yes they are or advised against it down here right now with the magic of editing. Okay. Stylish bag. Oh, and an equally stylish towel. Check this out. Oh, that feels nice. This is also recycled. 100% recycled plastic. None of that. Some. Check that out. That is nice. Made from recycled plastics. Lovely stuff. Most of my gear now is either incredibly sustainable or fully recycled. This Buccaneer Sesh t-shirt, sustainable. This change robe, recycled, it's made out of fishing nets, plastic bottles, all kinds of the bad stuff, made into something that is reusable and will last. So I'm not going to rattle on. I do like those. They're so light. All the links, everything down in the description. Chuck us a sub. Do us a favour. I'm on that slow march to 1,000. And if you've watched this, if you've enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Chuck me a subscribe. And it all helps out the channel. All right, guys, enjoy this brief spate of British summertime. I'll catch you for the next one.